In this video, we'll demonstrate how to activate the primary account on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to activate your primary account on the PlayStation 5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Firstly, sign into your account. Scroll towards the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then, navigate down to Users and Accounts. From there, select Other and proceed to Console Sharing and Offline Play. Enabling this option allows others using your PlayStation 5 to access your games and media even when the console is offline. If it's already enabled, you'll see options to disable or keep it enabled. However, if it's not enabled, click on Enable and wait a moment. Once enabled, you'll receive a confirmation. If you ever need to turn it off, just click on it again and select Disable. Once done, simply back out, and your PlayStation 5 should be all set up for shared play. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative PS5 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. For further tech insights, visit mediamagnet.business.